Hello, beautifuls! If you guys have been on social media lately, like scrolling through your feeds for countless hours, you might have come across this mascara. This is the Maybelline mascara that is trending and viral on TikTok at the moment, and it claims to make your lashes pretty much look like you're wearing falsies. Overall, it claims to be like a really dramatic mascara that's gonna make your lashes look so amazing and long and voluminous. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and let you guys know if it's worth all the hype. We're first going to list out the specifications of this mascara, then we're going to try it on, and I'm also going to be trying and testing out this TikTok hack that's supposed to make your lashes look even more voluminous, and then we will kind of wrap it up with a review. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. This is the Lash Sensational Sky High Waterproof Mascara. It retails for $11.49. The Sky High mascara from Maybelline claims to be long-lasting and deliver full volume and length. It contains a special mascara wand that bends to voluminize and lengthen every single lash from root to tip. It is infused with bamboo extract and fibers for long, full, and lightweight lashes. It's not supposed to smudge or flake. It is allergy tested and suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. My dog. He looks so comfy right now. By the way, don't mind my eyeliner. I have to do it like this because I have a lot of folds on my eyelids. So if it looks weird, trust me, it's not. Once I look at you normally, it'll look fine. Anyways, I'm gonna go in and curl the lashes. I'm gonna apply my mascara doing it this way. I learned this from a makeup artist. Basically, when you get to the bottom of your lashes, you kind of want to wiggle it to get really in there and then brush up. I'm so sorry if this eyeliner thing is bugging you guys. I get to the root of the eyelash and then I brush it up. She also does this thing where she flicks her eyelash onto the brush, but I'm not going to do that because if I do that with this, it's going to clump. So as you can see already, it's like starting to clump. I really don't like that. It is going to help give it more volume, but I feel like you can get volume without having to clump. And literally, it clumps on the second application. So if I want to go in and kind of fix up the eyelashes like this one right here, there's a bit of a clump. It's going to be really hard to fix that. Okay, these ones are going nicely. They're not clumping. That's what we are looking like so far. And this is a nice product. Don't get me wrong. This is a good drugstore mascara, but it's nothing I've never seen before. And especially with high-end mascaras, it can definitely do this. But as far as a drugstore mascara goes, like I generally feel like I've seen this before. But it's good. I mean, if you are interested in like this cute style packaging, I do like that it's pink. You know, if you see it, go ahead and get it. You're not gonna go wrong. It is one of the better drugstore mascaras out there. I'm gonna do a second coat on the other eye just to see what we're getting. Most likely, I'm gonna clump up. Okay, we're not clumping. I really am able to go back in a second time and it's not clumping. We got them to stick up a little bit more. I'm really impressed that I'm able to go in a second time and it doesn't like clump up or anything. It dries down very quickly. So this side is completely dry. And I think that's what's helping to prevent it from clumping. So I would say give it some time to dry and then go in with another layer. Okay, this one's getting clumpy. Maybe it wasn't dried down enough. I like it. I feel like the clumpiness is what's giving it the volume. And like I said, I would prefer it to not clump and give me volume, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think in person it looks great, but on camera it's still the same effect. Like it doesn't look like I'm wearing falsies. Now I'm gonna go in and try this TikTok trick and basically apply the mascara above my lashes. I'm like really scared of doing this because I feel like it's just gonna clump hardcore, but we're gonna try it. It's supposed to basically like lift the lashes a little bit more and add a little bit more. Oh, well, I knew it. It's clumping already. Oh gosh. Who said to do this? Okay, now I need to fix the, oh gosh. Oh, wow. It is clumping like crazy. I think at the end of this, I'm just gonna like use a tweezer or a pick or something and try to separate the lashes. And for some reason, this one is not clumping as much as the other one. That's so weird. Why? This is horrible. I don't know who came up with this. Now my lashes are ruined, and now we know that that doesn't work. We have officially tested out the TikTok hack as well as the viral TikTok mascara. And obviously the hack gets like a D, and the mascara itself, I would say a B. I would say B for drugstore. It's not revolutionary in terms of drugstore mascara. And it's a B because it's no better than a higher end mascara. I'm not mad that I have this mascara. I will still continue to use it because it does make my lashes look long and nice. But as for now, I am just going to continue to stick with my false lashes, and I'm really hoping to find a mascara out there that will actually look like I have false lashes. And to be honest, I genuinely feel like of all the mascaras in the entire world, there isn't one that genuinely makes it look like you have false lashes. That is gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have tried this mascara, let me know. Let me know how it worked out for you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this in the future. And I hope to see you all in another video. Bye!